looks good, Miley. I have to actually eat it, not just lick it.
That was a good start.
Yeah. Is this thing in its tightest setting?
No, it's not in the tightest setting.
Too big for
The tightest setting was a little bit constricting, I think.
Is it just one out?
Yeah. There's only 3 settings.
Should like keep this down or something.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job, Miley. Arr, bite it off. Chew it up. Swallow it. Did you just eat a whole big bite?
It's probably still in her mouth.
Chew, chew, chew. Miley. Why is she wearing a hat?
I don't know. You can take it off.
Hey. She's working on it in there.
Is she?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Don't knock it off.